Hello everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's vlog. And for today's episode, it's going to be very special because we're going to unbox two things. We're going to unbox a sneaker that was inspired by the Realme 6. And then we're also going to unbox one of the most hyped and requested smartphones in the Realme 6 line. It's not the I, it's not the Pro, it's actually the Realme 6. So let's check both items out. Sneakers, life, tech. Let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are about to draw the winners of our giveaway for the Yeezy-inspired masks, the sneaker-made shoelaces, and the sneaker cleaning solution. So subscribe now, follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page, join our Facebook community, and then click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck. I will save the phone for last, and I want to kick things off by unboxing the Realme 6 Air Force One. Yes, this is an Air Force One custom that was done by our good friend Sky Rosales. He was actually the same guy who did the custom for the Air Force One frontliners. So this is inspired by the design of this, which is the Realme 6 Pro. So as you guys can see, the color is some sort of like violet and red, and it has that lightning bolt effect at the back of the, I was about to say shoe, of the phone. So let's get to the unboxing. So if you pop the box open, this is an Air Force One type box, but this is actually an Air Force One React. Ba-bam! Let's take a closer look at the shoe. Now, as you guys can see, the color is very similar or inspired by the color of the Realme 6 Pro. You have that lightning black, violet red effect, and that's the same color styles that you guys see here. The big star, of course, is this lightning bolt on the lateral side, which is the same lightning bolt design that you see here at the back of the 6 Pro. This is an Air Force One React, so it is terribly comfortable, and you can see that with the giant React instep over here or drop in midsole. You have the Realme logo here at the back of the heel, and then you have the rest of the color here along the medial side. So as you guys can see, it has the colors, it has the looks, and it is going to be ridiculously comfortable. Now you're probably thinking, Carlo, why did you have a sneaker like this customized? Why did you waste an Air Force One React? Well, to be honest, I've been trying to figure out how to mesh my passion and love for both sneakers and tech. And since custom sneakers are so much fun to do, might as well go this route anyway. So how is this sneaker on feet? Well, as you can expect, seeing as it is an Air Force One React, it is super comfortable, mainly because of that massive Air Force One drop-in React midsole, insole over there. I did a review already of the Air Force One React, and you guys can check that out. I'll link it somewhere up here or in the comment section down below. So again, shout out to Sky Rosales for doing the custom work on this Air Force One React for the Realme 6 Pro. Ba-bam! What do you guys think of the Realme 6 Pro Air Force One React? Let me know in the comment section down below. Would love to hear from you guys. Again, shout out to Sky Rosales for the excellent and quick work on this sneaker custom. Now we get to the fun part, which is our unboxing of the Realme 6 smartphone. But before this, let me just quickly show you. Of course, we have the Realme 6i, which we did an unboxing and review of already. I'll put the link down there. The back of this one is inspired by nature and green tea. We also have what I just showed you guys, which is the Realme 6 Pro, which is the highest end variant of the Realme 6 line. And that one is the one inspired by the lightning bolt. And this one, the Realme 6, is supposed to be inspired by a comet. And we'll see that when we unbox it. As you guys can see, comes in your typical Realme yellow box. If you pop it open, you have the welcome message, which says, hey, welcome to the Realme family. This one has most of the information, as well as that free silicone case that you usually get with Realme 6 phones. We have the device, which we'll set aside first. And then we take a look at the insides of the box. You have the USB to USB-C cable and the charging block. And then we get to the device. So this, guys, is the Realme 6 in the blue comet color. So as you can see, some sort of like comet streaking, the comet somewhere down here, and then you have the trail at the back. So the light dances in an almost triangular way, which simulates how the dust or the after trail of the comment would look like as it is streaking. So what is so special about the Realme 6? Well, apart from the comet design, which we just talked about earlier, it has a 90 hertz display, or so 90 hertz refresh rate, which is good if you want to watch movies or if you want like some sort of buttery smooth movement when you are doing your Facebook and your social media apps and other stuff that you're doing. But it also packs a Helio 90T processor, which is perfect for gaming. So this phone is really more for all of you guys who are addicted to, I don't know, Mobile Legends or NBA 2K20 or whatever game that you guys play. I have Dead Trigger here, Mobile Legends and NBA 2K20 installed. I play mostly NBA 2K20. I just downloaded Dead Trigger 2, which I'll play around with in a bit. But yeah, this is supposed to be more of a gaming phone more than anything else. Now, it does pack like a 64 megapixel shooter here at the back, together with the ultra-wide lens and all the other stuff that you usually find in a quad camera setup. And I did take photos with this and it looked really nice, especially if you take a look at shots taken in normal light conditions. So if you take a look at the picture of my cat, this is Dusty, and you have a lot of the details captured, from his fur to the color of his eyes to the small details of his body, which is just really nice. Where it struggles though is really in night shots. So this is a sample of a night shot that I took. The problem is actually if you zoom in, it's very grainy. So while it looks good zoomed out, the problem is if you start to zoom in. But hey, if you're just shooting for IG, that shouldn't be a problem. So this is a non-night shot taken with the ultra-wide. This is the night shot with the ultra-wide, which is a little bit nicer, but again, you have the grainy, noisy effect, which is kind of annoying. Now, this is where the 6 Pro comes in. Because if you want a device that's really more for the camera, this one works much better, especially with the stabilization that you get with the front-facing camera, dual in-selfie or in-screen camera over here. This one, the selfie camera, just has one. So this one you buy if you really want, the very best, and you want the photography capabilities, and if you want the Snapdragon processor. This one is the one that you get if you just want overall value for money, bang for your buck. I mean, you get like a 90 hertz display, you get a Helio 90T processor, you get like a quad camera setup at the back, and it's just well, of course, obviously you also get the 90 hertz display. And syempre, if you guys don't have budget, this is the phone that you go to, which is the Realme 6i, which you can usually buy for under 10,000 pesos or $200. Now, we don't have the pricing yet for the Realme 6. We're expecting it to be announced on their live stream on May 27 noontime. So if you guys aren't doing anything, you might want to watch the live stream so that you can see all the details that come during the launch of the device. The details as well of the 6 Pro will be announced during that live stream. So guys, put it on your calendar, May 27 noontime, the official launch of the 6 and the 6 Pro here in the Philippines. Here we have it, guys. You have the 6i, you have the 6, and then you have the 6 Pro. Which of the three that you love the most? Let me know in the comment section down below. Would love to hear from all of you. Again, before we wrap up the vlog, I just want to give a huge shout out and thanks, of course, to Sky Ortigas for working on this custom Air Force One React inspired by the Realme 6 Pro. For our power-up words of wisdom for the day, guys, you are at your natural best if you love what you do. Mas magaling ka pag gusto mo ang ginagawa mo. So if you are looking for something to do during the lockdown or the ECQ or the MECQ, if you are exploring for a side hustle or hobby, my suggestion, find something that you love, find something that you enjoy, double down on that, get good at that, and eventually make money out of it. And with that said, I hope you guys are all doing great. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.